Join me as I dive into the top YouTube niches for 2024 and challenge myself to find the ones that can bring in the most profit. In this video, you'll discover the top YouTube niches for maximum profit in 2024, particularly focusing on how automation can help you tap into these lucrative markets. Many creators struggle to find profitable niches that are not overly saturated, which can hinder their growth and revenue potential. It's tough to stand out in a crowded space, and even if you do, it's hard to maintain that momentum over time. The truth is, most people don't know where to look for these hidden gems, or they're too scared to venture out of their comfort zone. But the thing is, the most profitable niches are often the ones that are not as obvious. They require a bit of digging and a willingness to take calculated risks. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to uncover the top YouTube niches that can bring in the big bucks, and how you can use automation to supercharge your content creation. The misinformation and noise out there can be overwhelming, and it's easy to get caught up in the hype. But I'm here to tell you that there are still opportunities to be had, and I'm excited to share them with you. The key is to focus on the niches that have a high demand, but relatively low competition. And then, once you've identified those areas, it's all about using the right tools and strategies to dominate them. One of the biggest mistakes creators make is trying to go it alone, thinking that they need to do everything themselves. But the truth is, that's a recipe for burnout, and it's not sustainable in the long run. You need to find ways to automate and outsource certain tasks so you can focus on the high-leverage activities that drive growth and revenue. We'll explore various niches such as technology reviews, personal finance, and health and wellness, discussing what makes them profitable and how you can automate content creation within these areas. The technology review space, for example, is highly lucrative, but it requires a significant amount of research and testing. By automating certain aspects of content creation, such as data analysis or script writing, you can free up more time to focus on the creative aspects, like filming and editing. Similarly, personal finance and health and wellness niches have a high demand for quality content, but they often require a deep understanding of complex topics. By leveraging AI tools and outsourcing, you can tap into the expertise of others without having to become an expert yourself. What makes these niches so profitable is the high demand for quality content, combined with relatively low competition. The technology review space, for instance, has a high barrier to entry, which means that only a few creators are willing to put in the effort to create high-quality content. As a result, those who do are often rewarded with high engagement and revenue. Similarly, personal finance and health and wellness niches have a high demand for trustworthy and reliable sources, and those who can establish themselves as authorities in these areas can reap significant rewards. One of the most exciting things about these niches is the opportunity to scale quickly, using automation and outsourcing to reach a wider audience. And that's what we're going to dive into next. We'll explore how leveraging AI tools and outsourcing can help you dominate these niches without spending all your time creating content yourself. Whether it's using AI-powered scriptwriting tools or outsourcing video editing to freelancers, there are many ways to automate and optimize your content creation process. By leveraging automation and outsourcing, you can focus on the high-leverage activities that drive growth and revenue, such as strategy and creative direction. And that's what separates the top earners from the rest. They're not afraid to invest in the right tools and strategies to free up more time to focus on the things that truly matter. To wrap up, we've highlighted the key niches for 2024 and the strategies for maximizing profits through automation. If you're serious about taking your YouTube channel to the next level, it's time to start exploring these lucrative markets and using the power of automation to tap into them. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my next video on automation tools for YouTube creators and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Please check the descriptions for more useful tools, which will help your video for optimization your YouTube channel. Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.